All right, good morning. This is the calm before the harvest. This is the last thing to get ready. Combine is 99% there, just got to put the shields back on. I'm just gonna do a quick recap of this. So we had the front Planetary go on the other side. This is what a front Planetary is. If you watch the other videos, you know these caps gave out. So the newer ones, I'm not too sure why this one was offset, these holes. So we've had to get a new hatch for the other side, new gears, everything, redone it. So we decided, since the other side went, we should get another new hat. We're gonna take this apart, we're gonna put the gears onto this one. We're gonna put a new thrust washer down here. We'll put new needle bearings in. We're gonna put the old gears over top and the updated caps. So hopefully this side, we catch this side before it goes, because there is a common problem with certain series of tractors that cap gives out. So it was about 14 grand to the other side. This hat's $2,500. So we have another $5,000 in hats. But to do this side, it's just going to, we think it's better to do this side before it goes instead of after, because it's going to be a lot cheaper today than it will be the next day. So we're going to get into it, get a little deeper in depth. So stay tuned. We're going to pull this tire off, and if you've seen, I got braces, real fun. But thanks to Dutton Dentistry, they support me on this channel a lot, so give them a shout out. Anyways, let's get the tire off. Hey, just go down for a moment. Sliding through here more. Alright, mate. See if I can put it on now. I think you got it. Feels good. Yep. Oh, getting a little green. Whisker. Yep. There we go. Okay, that room up there? Oh yeah, you're good here. As long as you're good there. Take these two bolts off. That's the only thing holding the pad on now. We've already drained it. Almost get the catch pan. You catch it? Ready? Got her. So this one looks much better though. Teeth are all intact. Oh, not there. What's going on there? Is that a casting issue? See that? Interesting. So you can see these caps are offset. So that's why I can't use this hat with these updated washers. So we're just going ahead and pull these, put onto the new hat. So definitely give her one more good wipe out. Alright. So we're getting our new thrust washers in. Just sit in place. The one's over there cleaning bolts. He's gonna paint them. Let me put it back on the tractor. So these newer thrust washers, this recess here, that's not a recess, that'd be inside. Anyways, this spot right here is further down because these holes are deeper than the old ones. That's also part of the newer, updated, better stuff. There we go. Swap our gear over. There's the old, there's the new. So we've inspected all the gears, they're good. We're pretty confident that's just a bad casting on the front of that gear. Everything looks good, there's no chips, no excessive wear. So this should be good to put back together. Put our caps on. I believe we torqued them to 85 foot-pounds. I'll have to double check on that.
Just put a little oil in there if we put them caps on.
Yeah.
Need to go get some.
I will get some. Just gonna pour a little lube into these babies. Make sure we got her everywhere. Oh, baby. Oh, there we are. Okay. We're gonna put her on. Just snug. So that wasn't that big a deal. We are filled up with oil. We're gonna put this tire back on. put it down and just take it for a quick rip before it rains. There we go. Okay, let's go for a drive. Someone's going to wash where this thing was. We're going to go for a nice little drive. We shouldn't hear anything. It all went together nice and inspect. But it's going to take it for a drive either way. So what has been going on, well, I haven't been, so I haven't had the camera on a few days. We've brought the auger home for the dryer system. We went over the dryer system. I've greased it, I've turned it on, I've ran everything but the burner. Can't run the burner until you get corn in it. We have changed the differential fluid in the 8260, the 7710. We changed the front gear lube in the combine. I checked the 7630, it's still clean as a whip. That's kind of what's been going on here. Anyways, I'm going to go for a drive. We're going to come back, and after lunch I got the mechanic coming to just double check this over. I got a few extra things to check on it. I'm going to have him go over the combine, and oh, we got the 7710 needs the air conditioning looked at. And I don't know if I'm going to show all that, whether he wants me to camera or not. If not, it looks like we're going to get a bunch of rain today. I'm probably going to start this video another day when we're going to get all the wagons. We're going to get them gone over, but we are pretty much ready for harvest. Hopefully in about 10 days we'll be rolling. So it's kind of nice that we are right there. We're ready. I've got lots of room on my side. I don't know about Wes's.
Depends what way it tips.
Just go slow. You made her. Back at the farm here, and we are just going over tire pressure. We're greasing everything, looking them over for we're gonna start hitting the road a bunch of times and full. Okay, so we have gone over all the wagons. Tires, pressure's all good, they're greased. Owen's got the buggy out. A couple days ago we put corn in it. We're gonna now put the corn in the wagon. We're gonna weigh the wagon, make sure the scales are correct on the tractor. Okay, we're just gonna grab the tractor, hook on the wagon, take it over the scale. So the buggy said we had 544 bushels in it. That's a 600 bushel wagon, and it's pretty full, so we'll find out. It's gonna be close, but we'll have to, we want to be really accurate though. So we're just gonna pull back off the scale here. So my scale said there's 612 bushels in that back wagon, which it is full. Corn's a little heavy. That's probably correct. Well, we're just gonna go take another set of wagons over our scale, and we're just gonna double check that our scale is reading correct. Obviously, we've weighed our wagons a bunch of times, so if the way you calibrate scales, you just make sure it reads the same weight on whatever you're using, either it's 100 pounds, 1,000 pounds. So we're gonna double check that. So obviously our buggy is out. I'm gonna have to call tech support and get a different calibration factor and make it correct, hopefully. Okay, so we just re-weighed those wagons. We know the weight of them. They've been the same every year. So our scale is right. So we're gonna call tech support right now. Owen's gonna unload this wagon into the feed barn because that's where it's gotta go. I think that's all I got for you guys today. I'm just gonna make some calls. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace. Have a good one.